download and install AnyDesk on Windows 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download and install AnyDesk. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then type AnyDesk, then press enter. Now from the search results, you want to click on anydesk.com. Over here you have the option of download now. Go ahead and click on that. Once the downloading has been completed, locate the folder where the file has been saved. Now go ahead and double click on it to open it. Once you open it, you have this option install AnyDesk on this device. Go ahead and click on that. Now here you want to click on the option of accept and install. Once the installation is complete, AnyDesk will open automatically, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.